In this Canva tutorial, I will show you how you can clone or convert any website on the internet into a Canva website or a Canva website template. There are millions of websites and website templates built with WordPress, Webflow, Wix, Squarespace, Shopify, HTML, and other page builders. You can easily clone or convert most of these websites into fully Canva editable websites or Canva website templates in less than 1 minute, and that is exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. In the second part of this video, I will also show you how you can convert Canva website templates into a WordPress website. To convert a website into a Canva website, the first thing you need to do is find the website you want to convert. Let me go with this WordPress template. I'll open it in a new tab. So now, this is the website template, this travel and tour website template that I want to convert into a Canva website template. What I'm going to do first is right-click anywhere on this page and then click Print. Now normally, when you right-click and click Print, the layout will be set to Portrait, so you'll see something like this in the preview. This is not the best layout for Canva, so you should always go for Landscape. Next, come to More Settings. Inside More Settings, you need to pay attention to the paper size. Also, if Background Graphics is not selected, make sure you select Background Graphics. Every other default setting should be okay. Again, note that what you see inside the preview here is exactly what you will get inside Canva, so it's important to go through these paper sizes and see what works best for you. For this particular template, I think I'll go with Tabloid. Even though it's not perfect, I prefer it. I'll click Save. You will then get this pop-up. Make sure you take note of where you are saving the PDF to. I'll click Save. Then I'll go to my Downloads folder, which is where I saved the PDF file. I'll refresh, and now I can see the copy of this website saved as a PDF, which I'll use to convert into a Canva website. Now let's head over to Canva and simply drag and drop this PDF into Canva. As you can see, the PDF is uploading. Let's go to Uploads. The PDF is done uploading. If you can't see your uploaded PDF file here, click the Designs tab, and here it is. It has been imported as a Canva template. You can now click to apply all the sections of the website you've imported, just as you would with any other Canva template. So now, the full website has been imported into Canva, and it's ready to be edited. As you can see, it's not an exact clone, but we can work around it. We can edit the text, change colors, add images. You can edit pretty much anything here, just as you normally would inside Canva. To get this template to look exactly like what we had in WordPress, this is what I'll do. I'll click and drag to select all the elements here, and then make sure everything fits within the section. Next, I'll click Transparency, and as you can see, our background image has now been revealed. Let's preview and see what we have. It looks beautiful. Due to time constraints, I won't edit everything here. I'm now going ahead to publish this website. I'll name it something like Travel Tour, and then I'll publish it. Let me go ahead and view the website. So this here is now the WordPress website, converted into a Canva website. And as you can see, it also looks good on mobile. It's not perfect, but you can work around it to make it look exactly the way you want. So that's how you convert or clone any website on the internet into a Canva website. Now let's see how to convert Canva website templates into WordPress. To convert any Canva website or website template into WordPress, the first thing you need to do is choose a Canva website template that you want to convert. I've already chosen this one and I've published it, so I'll click the Canva site to view it on the front end. Now, to convert this Canva website template into a WordPress website, I'll simply click the Clone to WordPress extension. I'll click Capture All Content within the page, and then click Capture Page. As you can see, the website is being captured. Now the Canva website design has been copied. I'll go into my WordPress editor and simply paste what the Clone to WordPress extension has copied. I'll set it to full width and then save the changes. Now, I'll view the imported or converted Canva template to see what it looks like inside WordPress. And here it is. This is now our Canva website inside WordPress, and it's fully editable in the WordPress Gutenberg editor. It is an exact clone of the Canva website, and that's how you convert any Canva website into a WordPress website. Check the video description for the link to download the Clone to WordPress extension. Other links used in this video are also in the description. Thank you for watching. Like this video, share it with people you believe might find it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more useful videos like this.